a few months ago that a vaccine would be available from a year to 18 months. I said that in January of 2020. A year from January is December. I still think there is a reasonably good chance that by the very beginning of 2021, that if we're going to have a vaccine, that we will have it by then.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Mr. Chairman, I'll yield back.
Thank the gentlewoman. Next, we have Mrs. Rogers from Washington State. I hope.
I'm coming. Kathy McMorris Rogers is here. Am I here?
You're recognized for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I want to thank the chair and the ranking member for holding this hearing and appreciate our witnesses for testifying today. COVID-19 is the challenge of the century, as others have said. It's a health and economic crisis of our lifetime. We mourn the deaths of over 100,000 Americans, and we must remember that we're not out of the woods yet. I want to especially express my heartfelt gratitude for the healthcare workers, the first responders, the emergency and essential workers who have been working around the clock to fight this virus, save lives, and keep our families safe. As our experts work tirelessly to develop a vaccine and treatment, I'm confident that there's no country in the world who's better equipped to lead for a medical breakthrough than America. We can't trust China to lead. And that's why the Trump administration has created programs like Operation Warp Speed. We're bringing together the very best in the public and private sector to develop countermeasures that will fight the virus. We're leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, supercomputing, and machine learning to speed up discoveries and enhance our knowledge base of the virus. In Washington State, we have top researchers as well as biotech and pharmaceutical innovators who continue to be at the forefront of these breakthroughs. I look forward to learning more and appreciate all of you being here to understand what the administration is continuing to do to lead in the development of these tests and treatments that America needs so that we can usher in a new era of innovation and healthcare cures. To win the future, keep our families healthy and save lives, and to ensure our economy booms again, we must get this right. Dr. Fauci, as you know, adjuvants maximize the effectiveness of vaccines. Would you just explain a little bit further what an adjuvant is? And are there any novel synthetic adjuvants in the pipeline? And if so, how will they play a role in the administration's pursuit of a COVID-19 vaccine?
Thank you very much for that question, Congresswoman. An adjuvant is a product distinct from the vaccine itself, but when given in conjunction with the vaccine, it enhances the power of the immune response. So if you have a vaccine that gives a level of response that here, when you get an adjuvant together with it, you often boost it to a much higher level. We use adjuvants in several vaccines. The NIH has a major program in the pursuit and development of novel adjuvants of all different types. And in fact, that's part of the program right now to accelerate our vaccine development capability. So it's a good question, but it's a very important part of what we do. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for that. Dr. Hahn, as you know, FDA's